Welcome to this video on PCF Components in Power Platform. We'll be covering best practices, project structure, integration steps, and an example. Power Apps Component Framework, or PCF, enables custom code components within Power Apps, allowing you to build richer UI and UX than standard out-of-the-box controls. They support model-driven apps in specific scenarios in Canvas apps and are typically built using TypeScript. We use PCF for custom field controls like masked inputs, as well as dataset controls for custom grids and visualizations. They allow for reusable components across environments and offer performance improvements for specialized needs. A PCF project includes the control manifest.input.xml for metadata, properties, and resources, index.ts for component logic, and package.json for dependencies. Optional files include generated types and CSS or asset folders. The basic steps to create a PCF control involve installing prerequisites, initializing the project using the Power Platform CLI, implementing the logic in TypeScript, building the component, and testing it locally. Finally, you package it into a solution for import into Power Apps. Integrating PCF involves adding the control to a solution and importing it into the target Power Platform environment. For model-driven apps, you add the control to a field on a form. For Canvas apps, you insert the code component where supported and configure its properties. Here is an example which is a phone mask field control. Its goal is to format a phone number as the user types, bound to a single-line .text column. The lifecycle methods involve init, update view, get outputs, and destroy, storing the formatted value back to Dataverse. The first part of the example shows the control manifest.input.xml. This defines the required bound property named value of type single-line.text and registers the index.ts code and the CSS resource. In the index.ts file, the init method creates the input element and adds an event listener to format the phone number on input. The update view method handles syncing values, and get outputs returns the current formatted value. The phonemask.css provides minimal styling for the input field, setting its width, padding, and border. When writing CSS for PCF, it's best to keep it minimal and specific to the component. Here are the main commands for building and testing. Pack PCF init initializes the project, followed by npm install and npm run build. Pack PCF start launches the local test harness before packaging the solution for deployment. To add the control to a model-driven form, you open the form editor, select the field, go to the Controls tab, and add the PCF control. Then, you set it as the default for the desired client types like web, phone, or tablet, and publish the customizations. Key best practices include keeping rendering logic fast and minimizing heavy DOM operations. Use virtual rendering for large datasets, handle resizing and theming, and ensure accessibility with proper keyboard support and ARIA. In summary, PCF lets you deliver tailored user experiences with code while remaining within the Power Platform application lifecycle management model. Start with simple field controls and move to datasets for more advanced needs. Always use solutions and pipelines for consistent deployment. Hey, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this video, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss my next one. Drop a comment and let me know what you thought. I read every single one. And if you want even more, the video I posted right before this one is waiting for you right here. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and I'll catch you soon.